This time, let's work on some bathroom caulk, and I'll show you the situation on the inside. It has clear caulk on it, and some moisture has been able to get underneath it in a couple of spots, and the mold is shown through. So the first thing to do is to cut off the old caulk, clean it up, make sure it's completely clean before putting new caulk on. And the caulk that we're going to use is 100% silicon, and it's this sharp knife razor blade, and then we'll come across the top, do the same thing. I'll just show you on this small piece here. And keep cutting until it's completely clean. Much of the remaining stuff can be rubbed off with your finger. Next step is to put down some of this blue painter's tape, leaving the crack where your caulk is going to be. So now we just want to apply a small bead of caulk in the void between the tape cracks, and just a small bit is needed because any more than that will just waste caulk and cause a big mess, and also can cause bulges where water can stand and cause mold to occur again. Okay, so a small amount of caulk has been applied, and then we'll just slowly go over it with our finger. Okay, we'll use my finger, like so. And wipe it off often. And finally, we want to carefully pull away the tape. Pull it down like this so that it doesn't rub against the caulk. And you want to do this as soon as you can before the caulk starts to set up. And you may be noticing this dark area. That's where the paint has worn off. That needs to be painted over as a separate project. And there is the end result. If the edge looks rough, you may want to go over it with your finger one more time. And since such low caulk is used, it'll still look fine.